Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering ingredients. 500 g thinly sliced chicken thigh or breast, 1 medium onion, 2 cups cooked Japanese short grain rice, 2 green onions, and pickled ginger. Measure the sauce precisely. 60 ml soy sauce, 60 ml mirin, 30 ml sake, and 1 tablespoon sugar, plus 100 ml dashi or water. Slice the onion into 3 to 4 rings and set aside. Pat chicken dry. Then cut larger pieces to about 3 cm. Keep rice warm at about 60 degrees C while you cook. Heat 1 tablespoon vegetable oil in a skillet over medium heat, then add the sliced onion and sauté for 3 to 5 minutes until translucent. Add the 500 g chicken in an even layer and sear 2 minutes per side, about 4 to 6 minutes total, until juices run clear and internal temperature reaches 74 degrees C. Pour in 60 ml soy sauce, 60 ml mirin, 30 ml sake, and 100 ml dashi. Add 1 tablespoon sugar. Reduce heat and simmer for 3 to 4 minutes until the sauce thickens slightly, and divide 2 cups of warm cooked rice into 2 bowls, fluffing it to release steam. Spoon the chicken and its reduced sauce over the rice so each bowl gets even coverage. Aim for about 200 to 250 g chicken per bowl. Garnish with 2 sliced green onions, a spoonful of benishoga pickled ginger, and optional shichimi pepper. For storage, cool within 1 hour and refrigerate up to 3 days. Reheat gently until the center reaches 74 degrees C. Serve immediately with a side miso soup if desired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.